Good morning. How are you? Fine. Hope you all are fit and fine in this COVID-19 pandemic. Now I want to recite one poem. Should I recite? Yes. चंदा मामा आसमान में, चंदा मामा आसमान में, मैं चाहूँ तो यहाँ बुला लूँ। चंदा मामा आसमान में, मैं चाहूँ तो यहाँ बुला लूँ। अलाव पानी भरा कटोरा, मैं उसमें चंदा दिखला दूँ। लेट मी रिपीट। चंदा मामा आसमान में, मैं चाहूँ तो यहाँ बुला लूँ। अलाव पानी भरा कटोरा, मैं उसमें चंदा दिखला दूँ। This is the meaning of science. With the help of science, we can plot the moon on the surface of the earth. How? Let us learn. So for that, one very important property of light, let me explain that one. When you wake up in the morning, you stand nearby the mirror, you can observe, you can see, you can visualize your image, how you are looking at that time, how your look is. So here now let us know how the moon can turn on the surface of the earth, and that property is known as the reflection. Reflection, very simple, when the light falls on the smooth and shiny surface. Number one is smooth and number two is shining surface. Smooth and shining surface. Now here when the light falls on, incident on smooth and shining surface, then that light is going to bounce back in the same medium. And this bouncing back of the light in the same medium is known as the reflection. How? Smooth and shining surface. So the smooth surface, that one is known to you, that one is the glass. Now I have the sheet of glass. This is the sheet of glass. And here in another sheet, that one is polished. Another surface, this is the sheet of glass, and other surface, any other surface, this one is polished. So this becomes smooth, and because it is polished, that means it is shining also. So now this becomes what? Mirror. So here the device which is based on the refraction is known as the mirror. And what we get from the mirror? We get the image from the mirror. What is image? Yes, this image is point to, you might have seen the photocopy, Xerox. What is that? Xerox is the impression. So point to point impression. Impression of an object is known as the image. How this image has to be formed? This image has to be formed when two reflected or refracted rays appears to meet, or meeting actually, then image has to be formed. When two refracted rays or reflected rays are actually meeting, then whatever image is formed, that is said to be real image. this is called virtual, appears to be virtual image. Real image and virtual image. Now here, how the image has to be formed? When two refracted or refracted rays, either reflected rays or refracted rays, are going to meet actually or meeting actually, then the real image has to be formed, and when they appears to meet, then virtual image has to be formed. So this is the real image, meaning when the real image is formed, actual meeting, and here is appears to meet, virtual image has to be formed. So here, now if I ask, what is mirror? So mirror is a device which provides almost 100% reflection. Means mirror, whatever light is going to fall on it, that mirror is going to reflect, bounce back in the same medium, and most of the light is going to be reflected. So that is the meaning. That's why I wrote here almost 100% light is going to be reflected. मतलब क्या, वो मिरर है अपने पास कुछ नहीं रखता है. Whatever light is going to fall on it, that has to be reflected. So here, this is the meaning of the mirror. Now, if I classify this mirror, so this mirror is of two types. Number one is plane mirror. When the surface like this is completely plane. This you can see completely plane. This is the plane mirror. So how this mirror can be made? Again, we have the transparent glass sheet. Either of that sheet has to be polished, then mirror has to be made. Mirror can be made. And this, if the sheet is plain only, that made mirror is said to be plane mirror. And if that one is this, here you can see that one is part of the, this sheet is the part of the hollow glass sphere. It is the hollow glass sphere, so it can be spherical mirror. Spherical mirror. And if again classify this spherical mirror, so it is convex mirror, and concave mirror. Convex mirror and concave mirror. So now reflection means bouncing back of the light. The device is mirror, and in the mirror we can see the image. If the image, how the image, what is the image? Point to point impression of an object is known as the image. When two reflected or refracted light are meeting or appears to meet, then the image has to be formed. So here one question, to form the image, how many rays are required? At least two. So here this image is real and virtual. Now here this plane mirror, so this mirror means we can make the mirror, we have to take the glass sheet, and that glass sheet either of the surface is polished, so that is known as the plane mirror. Now here if that sheet is completely plain, so it is said to be plane mirror, and if it is the part of the hollow glass sphere, then it is said to be the spherical mirror. This spherical mirror is further classified, that is the convex mirror and the concave mirror. Now here this reflection, here this reflection, you can see that your image on the tiles also. You can see the image on mirror also. And both the image you can see by the reflecting surface. So here this reflection is to be classified into two types. Do you know this one? One is regular reflection and other is irregular reflection. Irregular reflection. And this irregular reflection is also known as the diffuse reflection. Diffuse reflection. So now you can understand, if the surface is completely smooth and shining, then whatever reflection occurs, that is known as the regular reflection. So as we know that the glass sheet is completely smooth, so whatever reflection is going to be occur, that is known as the regular reflection. So here in this regular reflection, image is clear, intense, and this is the meaning of the regular reflection. Now here irregular reflection means the surface is not completely smooth. Smooth means here hills and valleys are there. So hills and valleys are there, and when this completely smooth, then what is the difference between that? What happened? When the incident rays are parallel, then reflected rays must be parallel. When this type of reflection occurs, that is the meaning of the regular reflection. Meaning of the regular reflection. If the surface is completely smooth, then only it can be represented by the straight line. Means incident rays are parallel and reflected rays are also parallel. In case of the diffuse reflection, here this is incident ray are parallel, but the reflected rays are not parallel. So this is the difference between the regular and irregular reflection. Now here reflection, bouncing back of the light, then we have the very important device, that is the mirror. What is the image? Point to point impression of an object is known as the image. This is real and virtual. Mirror, if the glass sheet or the smooth surface is completely plain, so it is plain mirror. Then if it is the part of the hollow glass sphere, spherical mirror, again it is classified convex mirror and concave mirror. Is it okay? Then I explained regular reflection and irregular reflection. Irregular reflection. Regular reflection, incident rays are parallel, then reflected rays must be parallel. Incident rays are parallel, but reflected rays are not parallel, then the reflection is said to be irregular. So in next class, we have to discuss what are the laws of reflection. Thank you. Have a nice day.